In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start selling in Whop. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL whop.com in the address bar. Once the page is loaded, you'll immediately notice the sleek and intuitive layout it's designed to provide an easy browsing experience. Focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find a dynamic button labeled Start Selling. Clicking this bright button will take you to the next step of our journey. At this stage, a new prompt will appear encouraging you to start selling for free. This cost-free start is a fantastic way to delve into what Whop offers without the worry of initial costs, so go ahead and click this button. You're now well on your way to setting up your brand new account. Following this, you'll be presented with a decision. Would you like to sign up using your Google account or an Apple account? This is really about convenience and preference. Choose whichever aligns with your setup by selecting the corresponding Continue button. This choice streamlines things significantly, utilizing your existing login credentials and thus saving you a good amount of time and effort. Next, Whop seeks to understand your intentions better by asking you to identify which model best describes your offering. This step is not just a formality, it's Whop's method of customizing their features to better cater to your unique needs. So take a moment to examine the provided list and select the option that resonates best with your product or service vision. Having identified your model, you'll also need to determine the industry your offering belongs to. Again, Whop provides a list of industries to choose from. Your selection here will help ensure you have access to the most pertinent tools and resources, enhancing your chance of success on the platform. Then, it's about grounding your operation geographically, as you'll be asked to select your country from a drop-down menu. This allows Whop to integrate any regional specifications into the services and offers they provide to you, ensuring smooth operation from your locality. Once all this foundational information is in place, you'll be prompted to enter your business name. This is your chance to establish your presence on Whop, so choose a name that truly represents your venture and ambitions. With these steps completed, congratulations are in order. Your Whop account is officially set up. It really is as straightforward as that. If you found this demonstration helpful, don't hesitate to hit the like button. I encourage you to drop a comment below with any questions or insights you might have. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and press the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for spending this time with me, and embrace the opportunities your new Whop account will present.